Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P Smart from 2019, and I'll show you how to speed up the device. So it basically is done through the phone management app, which is, as you can see right here, for me it's suggested, but it should be also somewhere below here. You can see right there. So you can just tap on it, and from here you have the basically cleanup, also optimize, which is actually optimized at the moment, so I can't even tap it, but you could tap it and basically it's the setting. And also you can clear some like unwanted data to increase how much space the phone has. But at the moment, as you can see, it's okay, it's done calculating, so only found apps, and well, there is nothing more than apps right now on this device. So you can click on cleanup and then choose whichever one you like, and it gives you a little bit of options there. So, but you also have junk files, which basically is like residue of all the apps that, let's say, you removed and they left some files that are just trashing the phone's memory. So yeah, so basically that's how you clean up, or speed up, I shall say, the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.